everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. Yes, I have a luxury unboxing. You here for the unboxing, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here luxury unboxing. So let me show you how luxury this is. So I am here to share a Chanel unboxing. I finally got my hands on this here particular item, and you will see when I unbox it why I say this has been so hard to get. And let me just say, having an essay really helps out. I happened to text her just one day out the blue, and I was like, hey, do you have this item in stock? And she was like, no, just check back later. So I'm like, okay. I told her what I was looking for. Lo and behold, I stop in on my break because Chanel is a Chanel store down the street where I work at. I stop in, and she was like, girl, I was just getting ready to text, but we don't have all of them. So I was like, whatever you got, I'll take. So this is why I'm doing the unboxing, because I got my hands on this hard to find item. Sorry, I cannot link this for you all because it's not available. If you want this particular item, I would recommend calling your local Chanel boutiques. And said, she did wrap it really pretty. I'm gonna save this for Christmas, but I don't know. Christmas is like all year round for me, so I may not do a what I got for Christmas. I'm not sure as of yet. The only big ticket item I want right now is a MacBook, like a laptop. That's the only thing I'm looking to get. And of course, y'all know I buy tons of makeup, so I don't look at that as a Christmas gift. But I did throw some stuff under my tree. Threw in some samples. I haven't found a Chanel perfume that I like. I don't know. Chanel always comes off to me as like old lady-ish. I don't know, I could be wrong. But I was like, I was so happy when I was able to get my hands on this, y'all. When I tell you this thing was so hard to find, oh my gosh. And I don't like to want hard to find items because it drives me crazy. And the Chanel wrapping paper is so cute. It has the red Chanel in the inside. The gift sets, you already know what this may be. It come out with, I want to say maybe 4 or 5 gift sets. This was the only one that was available. This wasn't my first choice, y'all, to be honest. I just took whatever I could get. I have a window of 14 days. The others come available, I can switch it out, or if not, I may just purchase a second one. But yeah, I didn't really want this particular one, but I wanted this so bad. I was just happy to get my hands on this. Mention this here is the Stay Polished manicure set. I did take off my nails around the time when I was sick. Maybe I get to try. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the Chanel polish just to see if it's like a type of polish that chips right away. Color that I fell in love with, because they do have red. I like what's in the red bags, but I didn't care for the red. I don't know, I just didn't like the red. I just didn't like it. But if a red come available, I will purchase it, but I won't give this up to purchase the red. So if I do see a red, the only one that I was interested in, bronzer set, because I did swatch the bronzer at the Chanel store, you all, and it's so creamy and buttery. It also comes with a brush, and I was just like, okay, same price as this. I think it was like $117. So to be able to have some sort of Chanel for under $200, I just thought, okay, win-win. Just took whatever I could get. Which one I have individually wrapped. So here's one item, and here's the other two. So it came polish set. I think I already mentioned that. Never tried Chanel nail polish. Interested in the one that was just like this, but with the lotion and the lip balm. But they didn't have that available. So you do get a top coat. One thing I never ever tried, you all, were high-end nail polishes. Kept my nails done, or you know, I used to just buy just regular nail polish because I switch out so much that I feel like I didn't want to spend, you know, almost $50 for a nail polish. The pink color here, let me see if I could has this top like a cover, and then you can twist it open. So it's just like a light baby pink, one of those everyday type of color. Let me see if I can show you. So here is the color. Probably will be able to see, but it's just like a blush pink. What I'm gonna do is, after this hair video is over with, I'm gonna go ahead and paint my nails. See what this top coat looks like. Just like a nice clear top coat. So my thing with nail polishes, as long as they can last for at least a week, I'm good. So fingers crossed this hair lasts for a week. I got these two, and this color, what's the name of this color? It's called, I don't know if there's 167, but it's called Ballerina. So if you not able to catch this hair manicure set and you want to take advantage of the nail polish, the color is Ballerina. Like I said, it's like a pretty blush pink. And last but not least, you all, I got the hand cream, and y'all know this hand cream is amazing. It is pricey, I will say, but it's worth the money. I tried the Chanel lotion, so do highly recommend this hair lotion. You'll find Chanel at Nordstrom's, I think, and Neiman Marcus. So stop at a counter and try their lotions. It comes in the black and the white. I haven't tried the black or ever purchased the black, but I do have the white already, so this will be considered like a backup. And you got your lotions and one nail polish and a top coat. I'm not going to say 2 nail polishes because this here is just a top coat, but I know some people do like to wear just a top coat. I wanted you all to be honest for the bag. I will say the bags that they had last year had like little tabs on the side where you were able to add like a chain to it. Now I don't know why they took that feature out, because I did like how the ladies turned these little bags into like crossbody bags. You can somehow turn this into a bag, like a crossbody bag or something. I heard someone say you have to poke holes in it or something, and I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna go to that extreme because I'm not really looking to carry this as a purse. It had the little tabs on the side. I probably would have used one of my little like one of my chains, or I would have went on Amazon and tried to buy one. I may just use this for a catch-all on my vanity table because I have makeup everywhere. So I was thinking of putting my essentials in here: everyday powder, blush, face cream, sunscreen, like stuff like that. It feels nice, and it is like wipeable in the inside. It's like that like a baby bag material kind of. Something was to get on here. It is wipeable, but I'm not sure if it will stain this particular material. Just show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it can fit a lot of stuff. So yeah, you all, I am so excited I was able to get my hands on this particular item. But yeah, I love. I just wanted to share with y'all really quick because yesterday I went to Marshall's. It's been in a while, and I like to go every so often because they always popping up with new stuff. Today after work, I went to Marshall's, and y'all, guess what I found? Not one, but 2. I found 2, and I was like, you know what, I'm getting both. And I was happy to find the size 40. Grade my watch, I have to get stainless steel. I do regret buying stainless steel because of the fact that I did not know, I don't know why, but I didn't know that Apple was going to come out with watches like every year. Stainless steel is a lot more than the original aluminum prices. As much as I paid, I want to say almost $1,000 for this watch back when it came out. So I don't want to keep upgrading because of course I can't keep paying that type of money, and I don't want to go from stainless steel to aluminum right now. I have a lot of new features, but for right now, for me, I just don't want to downgrade. So I forgot what series watch this is. It is the older version. In fact, I think I got the 40 when the 40 first came out, because remember they didn't have a 40, they had a 38. But the 38 was a little too small, but the 40 was a perfect size. So whatever year that was when the 40s came out, that's when I got my stainless steel. And I'm so sorry I got stainless steel because I do want to upgrade my watch. One aluminum watch. So, but anyway, you all, able to find 2 40s at Marshall's, and I'm gonna show you. $16.99. Let me see. focus. Can y'all see? Yep, y'all. Can you see? $16.99. The sports band. Open it because I wanted to make sure it fit. Because I was like, did I get a 40? But I do have a 40. Well, I don't know. I just forgot. Lucky. And I got this here pretty color. I had this color when I had my first Apple Watch. Because back then I was buying a lot of bands. But I don't know. I just stopped doing all that. Even with Apple cases, with iPhone cases, I stopped doing that as well. Because I lose out so much when I buy a whole bunch of cases and then Apple come out with new stuff. Because with the iPhone 10, y'all, I had a lot of cases and I cannot do nothing with them. I don't even think I can even give them to anybody because nobody has an iPhone 10 anymore. So that's just like a loss for me. Like really active when it comes to what cases and what bands I buy or whatever. Bands I don't mind too much because like I said, I don't see me upgrading anytime soon. I just bought one case for right now. Of course I'm gonna buy another, but I'm not gonna go crazy like I did before. It's the pink citrus. So I don't know if this color is even available on the Apple website. If so, I will link it down below. Of course I can't link this down below from Marshalls or TJ Maxx because you know it's like hit or miss, so you would probably have to just check your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls. But I just wanted to share to let y'all know, if you check your stores out, you may get lucky like I did and you might be able to grab some cases. A 44, a few 44s, but of course I have a 40. And this one here is from the red collection. Well, the helps in the fight against HIV and AIDS. Other one, this red one, was with too as well. Same product line. I never had this type of band. Always had like the sports band, and then I had the Melanese, that metal band. I ended up giving that to my son. Of course I can't use that because I have the smaller version of a watch, so this is why I said I'm not spending a lot of money on bands anymore. The one that I got, and I like the way this one feels. This here is also, I think, a sports. Yeah, this is the sport loop. And like I said, I never had this particular band before. And I like the red with the blue. Because when I got this red, I was like, I don't know if this red gonna look right. But y'all, this red with this rose gold, like what? So this one here is nice because it run, workout or whatever, it will come in handy for that. I tell you, I love this red band. I have not taken this red band off since I purchased this. And let me just say, it's been over a year since I purchased this red band. So I cannot wait to switch out to one of my new bands. I probably will switch out to this one because like I said, I never had this type of band before. So I just want to see how it feels to wear every day. You all, that was everything. Of course, you know that's what I do here on this channel. I love to share, and I am so sorry that I cannot link anything. I don't even know if y'all even click on my links, but again, I'm sorry I can't link anything. Yeah, you all, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here video. If you enjoyed this hair unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up. Oh, before I end this video, let me know, were you able to get your hands on these here particular Chanel gift set? But I did want to take advantage of this year. So again, let me know down below if you were able to get your hands on a gift set, and if so, let me know which one. Being said, if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. What notify each week? That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.